Hello everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today we're comparing Spotify versus Tidal. Let's start with Spotify. Spotify is the most popular music streaming service worldwide, known for its huge music library, smart recommendation, and strong social features. It has become the go-to platform for discovering and sharing music. It has over 100 million tracks available, free tier with ads plus premium subscription, personalized playlists like Discover Weekly, Release Radar, and daily mixes, podcast integration directly in the app, and cross-platform support on iOS, Android, desktop, smart speakers, and gaming consoles. It has some social features like sharing playlists and see what friends are listening to. Also, there's offline listening for premium users. But the free version has ads and limited skips, lower audio quality compared to some competitors, and no lossless hi-fi option yet, despite being promised, and they have announced that they are going to include it in the premium subscription. And also, family plan can be more expensive compared to Amazon bundles. Now moving on to Tidal. Tidal is a music streaming service known for its high-fidelity audio quality, artist-first payment model, and premium features like master quality tracks and spatial audio. It appeals strongly to audiophiles and listeners who want better than average sound. It has lossless FLAC with master tracks that are even higher fidelity, and immersive audio experiences with supported tracks and devices, a large catalog including exclusive releases in some cases, and strong playlist, editorial content, artist-focused features. You can download tracks for offline playback with high quality if you pick that plan, and it's known for giving artists a higher share of streaming revenue. But the premium plans are more expensive, especially for hi-fi, master, or spatial tiers. Some listeners report device compatibility or stability issues with certain high-fidelity features, and library synonyms or exclusive content sometimes vary by region. So, Spotify is one of the most popular streaming platforms, but when it comes to sound and quality, Tidal stays the best in it. And that's it, guys. As simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.